Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a neon Black Panthers inspired look. I got this picture on a screenshot from a video. I couldn't find where it was from to tag the shirt or the artist or the brand, but I've always wanted to try this style of makeup, so I figured why not give it a go. I've never actually done this before, so I just put it together based on the steps I thought would work out in my head, and I hope you like the tutorial and try it out. It's a little more bold, but it's fun for a night out, like if you have a concert. I know it's 2020, why would you go to a concert? But I do makeup for fun. It's my passion, so I figured why not record it, and in the future somebody might need it. So don't come at me for that. I know a lot of people start off with the black and then add the color, but I just felt like if I did that, I would bleed the color or blend it in too much into the black, so I didn't want to mess up. So I started off with the neon pink color. I wanted to go for more of a purpley fuchsia pink vibe for the neon tone, so that's what I'm starting with. I don't know if you ever paid attention to neon lights, but basically it's just a shade of color, like whatever color you have, and then the neon pop of it is the white bulb or the white accent. If you have a neon light sign, the bulb most likely it's more white, but the color of the sign is what makes it stand out as well. Same thing when you have prints. You put the main color down and then the white line in the middle is what makes the neon pop. I wanted to do my take on it and practice for future looks because you can do this with any color combination. And I'm going to be using black for the rest of it, but you don't even have to use black at all. You can use like a deep purple, you can use a deep green, a deep blue. I just thought it would look cool inspired by this t-shirt. I do get a lot of my inspiration from fashion, and I feel like everything subconsciously stores in your head, and that's how you get your inspiration. So go ahead and complete the other eye with that first eyeliner step, and then you just pat on the eyeshadow colors before the liners fully dry. Make sure to pat only, because if you start swiping, it's gonna crumble away your eyeliner and it will crack and it will mess up, so just be careful. Now to do the black part, I'm just using a dollar store detailed paintbrush, and I wet the brush a little bit with my setting spray, and I dipped it into the black Anastasia shadow Noir. So I'm just outlining the top. And once you have your outline, just start blending it out. You can do windshield wiper motion since you don't have a lot of room to go in circles, and that's okay because we just want to blend out the harsh line. So this gives it a little more definition, and it's going to help with the pop towards the end result. For the lid, you could totally use a gel liner or a cream eyeshadow, but I decided to use this Wet n Wild breakup proof marker liquid liner because it's pitch black and it's super easy to use, as you can tell. And also it's oddly satisfying how dark and perfect it makes everything filled in. And since we want to define the outer graphic line for your wing, it was also a perfect tool to use because the brush tip is a very fine point. So just inline your lid area towards your graphic liner and then fill the rest in. You can leave it as is because it's pretty black, but I wanted to go for a super matte look. So I am going to be setting it with the Anastasia Noir black eyeshadow. And just an eyeshadow packing brush, lid brush. Look at the difference from the inner corner towards the rest of the eye. You can see how super matte it's getting. And again, just press, tap that color on to pack it, don't swipe. So for those of you like, this is too dark, this is too much, it's too big, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. Honestly, it's out of my comfort zone. Number one, to try the look, and number two, to wear it. But honestly, it's super fun. I wore it for a few hours last night, and the more I wore it, I felt like the more the neon it looked because the white started blending into the pink. So I honestly do recommend it. It's super cool. And then once you have your black on, you can just clean up your pink line. I didn't record this part after this, but I did end up using the black liquid liner just to outline the bottom of the pink here on the outer corner, and it tops off the black outline to get that pop, so I think it worked really nicely. My skin's looking a little rough, so I didn't film the process on that. So with this concealer and little brush, you make sure it's crispy clean, and with the white eyeliner, you just try to keep your brush in the center. I know at the beginning it's gonna look like you covered the whole pink color and what's the point, but I promise you I didn't cover everything. It just looks like that because it's really bright on first application. But then once it starts drying down, it starts seeping into the pink, so you still can see the pink color come through. I know some people go back with the pink eyeshadow and top off the color and get a brighter neon look or blended look, but I didn't want to do that because I know white liners can crack very easily, and again, I am scared to mess up, so I was just playing it safe. Does anyone else find it oddly satisfying to watch people put on their eyeliner or eye makeup in general? I just think it's so relaxing. Once you have your eyeliner on, you want to finish off the bottom of your lash line. In my waterline, I'm doing this minty aqua color. It's by LA Girl, their Shockwave liner. Remember, I'll have all my products listed on my Instagram post, so just click my Instagram link below in the description. Click on the picture of this look and you will see the details so you don't miss out in case you're interested. Using the same black eyeshadow, I'm gonna just line under my lashes, under my waterline, and then blend it a tiny bit so that way it's not so harsh and it really blends into your little creases on your under eyes. I know that white eyeliner is not perfect. I usually want it to be, and I usually clean it up until it is perfect. But in this case, the neon shirts and posters and things you look at, they're not perfect. There's gonna be like glitches in the white or the color, so I wasn't beating myself up about that too much. Once you take pictures and just wear the look throughout, again, the white blends into the pink and it just looks really nice without having to perfect it, so don't worry about that either. It's just a fun creative look. I did the purple highlighter with the pink shift in it. I think it goes super well with this look. I wish I could put this highlighter all over my whole body. I would not mind being a purple pink glowy person. You don't really need lashes because they are not really visible with this dark eyeshadow, but if you just feel more comfortable for pictures or just to make it look like you have definition on your lashes, you can just wear some natural wispy ones. These are from Ardell. Add your rest of your face products and this is the finished result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I'll see you in my next video.